In this video tutorial, we will do if-else conditional statement in C++. So make a new file, name it ifelse.cpp. CPP is the extension name of C++. First include header file has include iostream using namespace std. Make a new function int main. We will write our program in this main function. So first ask for the user to enter a number. We will check that number is less than, equal to, or greater than 50. So cout enter number. Enter number, end line, semicolon, cint num. Our num is the integer data type, so we will declare that in the int num. Let's check that is num is greater than 50. If we will write our condition into brackets, num is greater than 50, then cout num is greater than 50, more than 50. Else when this condition will false, then our program will come in the else. When this else cout num is less than 50. So build this, you can go terminal, run build task, or Ctrl+Shift+B. /ifelse.exe. Enter number 24. 24 is less than 50. Enter number 56. 56 is more than 50, right? So let's check. Then the user have entered that number is equal to 50. So we will use else if. When we have three conditions, so we will use else if. Between if and else, if two brackets num is equal to 50, we use to equal to loop symbol to compare anything in C++. Cout num is equal to 50. Build this, Ctrl+Shift+B. Enter number 56 more than 50 is equal to 50. 12 is less than 50. We will write our